Right, I'm getting in euro. Euro, you sexy little thing. Right, first pullback. So again, so look, this is just another example to kind of not be too worried, right? Look at price here. Has this high taken any liquidity to the left? Hello?
Nothing. It's just rejecting from demand zone.
Exactly. The lower it comes, the more of an opportunity to potentially get a scale in entry. If it comes. Something like that. So basically think about it. We're risk free. Just added another lot. Stop loss. Same. Basically. 2.9. Beautiful. Initial entry. Literally no drawdown. Instant profit. Beautiful. Fake breaker structure. We know that that's where the last imbalance is. Yeah, guys, put your stop loss at break even, second entry, leave it to run. I'm going to get myself off to bed. I'll see you all on Thursday.